Good morning, Elena. Are you ready to practice our daily English?
Good morning, Mark. I am a little nervous, but I am ready. I want to speak better.
That is the spirit. Don't worry about mistakes. Can you tell me about your day?
Today, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I had coffee and toast. Then I went to the park. The weather was beautiful.
That is excellent. Your sentence structure is very clear. What did you see at the park?
I saw many trees and, birds? I don't know the word for the small water place.
Do you mean a pond or a fountain?
A pond. I saw ducks in the pond. It was very peaceful.
Great job using peaceful. How do you feel when you speak English now?
I feel okay, but sometimes I forget the words. I get stuck.
That is normal. When you get stuck, just breathe and try again. Or use a simpler word. You are doing a great job.
Thank you. I appreciate your help. It is getting easier every day.
Exactly. Consistency is the key. Shall we try again tomorrow?
Yes, please. See you then.
Hello. Good morning. How are you today?
I am doing well, thank you. How can I help you?
I am a bit lost. Excuse me, where is the train station?
No problem. It is straight ahead, then turn left. It is not far from here.
Thank you so much. I don't understand this map. It is very confusing.
I understand. Can you repeat that? I want to make sure I help you correctly.
Sorry, my English is not very good. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Of course. I said the station is near the park. Do you see that tall building? It is right behind it.
Ah, I see it now. What time is it? I don't want to miss my train.
It is 10 o'clock. You have plenty of time.
That is good news. I have a question. Is there a pharmacy nearby? I need some water and medicine.
Yes, there is one inside the station. How much does a ticket cost? Do you already have one?
Not yet. I would like a ticket to the city center, please.
It is about $5. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you for your help. Nice to meet you. Goodbye.
Take care. See you later.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am very busy but happy. What do you need today?
I need bread, milk, and eggs. Do you have fresh fruit?
Yes, we have apples and bananas over there. The apples are very sweet.
Great. I want 4 apples, please. Where is the milk?
The milk is in the back, inside the cold fridge.
Thank you. I see it. Oh, I also need a small bottle of water.
Is that all for today?
Yes, that is everything. How much is the total?
That will be $12, please.
Here is $20. Do you have change?
Yes, I do. Here is your change and your receipt.
Thank you for your help. You are very kind.
You are welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye. Good morning, David. How is your day going?
It is going well, thank you. I am a little busy.
I see. What are you doing?
I am cleaning my house. Then I need to go to the supermarket. I don't have any food.
Oh, I understand. I usually go to the market on Saturdays. It is very crowded today.
That is true. Is there a pharmacy near the market? I need some aspirin.
Yes, it is right next to the bakery. You can't miss it. Do you have an umbrella?
No, I don't. Why do you ask?
Look at the sky. It is very gray. I think it is going to rain.
You are right. Thank you for telling me. I will take my jacket.
No problem. By the way, are you free this evening? We are having tea at 4 o'clock.
I would love to, but I have to work. Maybe next time.
Of course.
Good morning. Welcome to the English Center. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Marco. I am here for the class.
Nice to meet you, Marco. Are you a new student?
Yes, I am. This is my first day. I am a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. Everyone is very friendly. Where are you from?
I am from Brazil. And you?
I am from London. Do you speak English at home?
No, I don't. I speak Portuguese. My English is very basic.
That is okay. That is why you are here. Please sign your name here.
Okay. Do I need a pen?
No, you can use this one. Also, here is your books.
Thank you. Where is my classroom?
It is room 5. Go down the hall and it is on the right.
Is there a bathroom near the room?
Yes, it is next to the stairs. Do you have more questions?
No, that is all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Marco. Have a great class.
Thanks. See you later.
Good afternoon, Miss Bell. I have a news for you.
Good afternoon, Liam. Just a small tip. News is uncountable, so we just say, I have news. What is it?
Oh, I see. I has a new job. I start on Monday.
Congratulations. But remember, I have, but he, she, it has. So, I have a new job.
Thank you. I am very excited. My boss is very kind.
Close. You should say, I am very excited. We use ed to describe how you feel. How many peoples work there?
There are 10 peoples in my office.
Ah, that's a common one. The plural of person is people, so there are 10 people.
Understood. 10 people. I like very much my job.
In English, we usually put the object first. I like my job very much.
I am agree. Word order is difficult for me. I am go to work by bus.
Instead of I am go, just say I go or I am going. You're doing great, Liam. These small changes make you sound very professional.
Thank you for the advices, Miss Bell.
You're welcome. And remember, it's just advice, no S.
Good afternoon. It is a very warm day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I like the sun, but it is a little hot for me.
I agree. Are you waiting for the number 10 bus?
Yes, I am. Does it come every 15 minutes?
Usually, yes, but today it is late. There is a lot of traffic downtown.
Oh, I see. That is a problem. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock.
Don't worry. The bus is fast once it arrives. Where are you going?
I am going to the dentist. I have a toothache.
I am sorry to hear that. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. What about you? Are you going to work?
No, I am going home. I finished my shift at the hospital. I am a nurse.
That is a great job. My sister is a nurse too. She works in Madrid.
Oh, are you from Spain? Your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice every day for 10 minutes. I use my phone and listen to music.
That is the best way to learn. Look, the bus is coming now.
Great. Have a nice evening then.
You too, Sophia. Good luck at the dentist. Hi, Kira. I want to learn English fast. Do you have any tips?
Hello, Tom. Yes, I do. First,
Stop trying to learn every word. Focus on common phrases.
Common phrases like, how are you? And where is the bathroom?
Exactly. Also, use a timer. Study for only 10 minutes, but do it every single day.
10 minutes. That is not much time. Is it enough?
It is better than 2 hours once a week. Consistency is the key. Your brain needs to hear English daily.
I see. What about grammar? Grammar is very difficult for me.
Don't worry about perfect grammar yet. Just start speaking. Use I want, I have, and I go. People will understand you.
I am afraid of making mistakes. I feel shy.
Mistakes are your friends. Every mistake is a lesson. Also, try to watch movies with subtitles.
That sounds fun. Should I use my native language for subtitles?
No, use English subtitles. You can hear the word and see the word at the same time. This is very fast for learning.
Thank you, Kira. I will start today. I am going to watch a short video now.
Great! Don't give up. You are going to be great.
See you tomorrow for more tips.
Hi there. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, hello. No, it is not. Please have a seat.
Thank you. I am Alex, by the way. I am a student here.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I am Sam. I work at the bookstore across the street. Are you enjoying your coffee?
Yes, it is delicious. I usually come here to study because it is very quiet. Do you live nearby?
I do. My apartment is just 5 minutes away. It is very convenient for work. What are you studying?
I am studying business. It is challenging, but I like it. Today, I am preparing for a big exam.
That sounds like hard work. Would you like some help? I have some free time before my shift starts.
That is very kind of you. Could you help me practice these vocabulary words?
Of course. Let's start with the first one. How do you pronounce this?
I think it is management. Is that right?
Perfect. You have a great accent. Don't be nervous. You are doing very well.
Thanks, Sam. I feel more confident already.